extra blessings, you can send through my GCash number 0951 0072 0951 uh, 5162. Oh no, I forgot the my number. Wait, I'll try to check my GCash number because I try to help Kian J, but since I'm not a popular YouTube creator, so I only got one person who support who gave support to K&J. 0951 007 1562. So it's my name is uh, but my video has a